Hi everyone, this is Sai Yogita and welcome to the another video of He, She and Baby. In this video, I'm going to talk about a very important product for first time parents. This one is Love Lab Electric Adore Breast Balm. So parents, हम लोग जब तक आप ना पेरेंट्स नहीं बनते ना, आपको एक्चुअली ब्रेस्ट पम्प की इम्पोर्टेंस समझ नहीं आती है. And yes, as soon as you first become parent, you actually need this product. या मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस में मॉम्स को इस प्रोडक्ट की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. तो फाइनली इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में हम इस वीडियो में आगे बातें करेंगे, तो स्टे ट्यून्ड. In this video, I'm gonna talk about my breastfeeding journey. When I first became a mom, of course, my breastfeeding journey was tough too because I was not able to latch herself. So we used to express the milk with the pump, and then we used to give that liquid gold to my daughter. So yeah, from my experience, a breast pump helped me a lot to give my baby liquid gold, and that's why I'm actually asking you to take a note and actually order this Love Lab Adore Electric Breast Pump that is gonna help all the new moms a lot. This pump will ease the process of expressing milk. The pump comes with a main touchscreen LED unit that has different levels and a pumping unit. Another great feature is you can carry this very easily. This comes with a very handy pouch and the charger, and this charger is basically a USB cable. So yes, you need a USB port and you can charge your breast pump anywhere without any hassle. So this product is available online as well as offline, and this product has MRP of 3,995 rupees. Highlight of this product is this pump has 2 modes of stimulation and 9 levels for expression. So yeah, I mean you can actually customize the settings as per your comfort. So now you can breastfeed your baby as long as you want, even if you are going out. So don't worry and enjoy your motherhood. Now I actually wanted to tell you why exactly a woman needs this breast pump. First of all, when just become a mom because of certain conditions, not all, every mom is close to their newborn because most of the times kids are even in the NICU and all. So in that case, you can always use a breast pump to express milk and then store it for your little one. And at the same time, like if you're a working mom and you have to go out somewhere and your baby is at home, so you can always use a good breast pump. You can express the milk and keep it for your baby. And the third situation is actually a very social situation. So I have seen a lot of mothers are struggling with breastfeed because of some health related issues and all. And just in case if you think you are a mom, you have enough milk supply, you can always express the milk and you can give that milk to the organizations or to the mothers who are struggling with breastfeed for their little ones. There are a lot of NGOs who are working to collect these breastfeed from the mothers, and they are giving to the mothers who are actually needing this. So yeah, if you think you have a good milk supply and your baby is not taking that, then you can always express that milk and you can give that milk to the one who actually need it. So yeah, that is another point. So in case if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, share and subscribe. For any question you can write down in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer. Bye bye.